This temple is the 108 Divadesam. In 108 Divadesam, this is roll number 51. In 108 Divadesam, 8 places Swami in Swayambhu Murti. 4 in north, another 4 in south. In north side, Badrikachalam, Naimisharanyam, Chanagramam, Pushkaram. Here south side, Tirupati, Shrirangam, Shrimushnam, then Vanamamalai, Totatri. But here is the one of the special 11 Murti, Swayambhu Murti. Inside the Garbhagudi, 9 Murti, then outside 2 Murti, Garudalvar and Visakshena. So total 11 Murti, Swayambhu Murti here. But Swami came to this Garbhagudi before 6,000 years back. At the time of the village not in here. This is a Pushkaran, that means Sarovar or lake, under the region of Kerala. One of the Maharaja named Karimaran, ruling this area at that time. But after the marriage, the Maharaja don't have the child. So he went to each and every temple to pray God. Another one of the Divadesam from here, the village name Tirukurungudi, the Murti name Nambinarayana Perumal. Nambinarayana Perumal informed the Karimara Maharaja dream, you go to Tirukurungudi, then you will get the way to get the child. Then Maharaja went to Tirukurungudi and prayed Nambinarayana Perumal. But Nambinarayana Perumal informed the Karimara Maharaja, you don't need any kaingirias to me in Tirukurungudi. You go to this place. My brother is under the ground. You dig the land, construct the temple, then you will get the child. Then Maharaja again asked Nambi Perumal, I cannot find out the correct location, so you please help me to locate the correct place also. Then Nambi Narayana Perumal sent the Garuda Vahana with the Karimara Maharaja to locate the correct place. That is the Garbhagudi. Garbhagudi is the digging land, before 6,000 years back. At the time of digging, water coming through the underground, that is separated by 4 lakes. So the village name is called 4 Lake. 4 in Tamil Nangu. Char. Lake in Tamil Eri. Pushkarani. So Nalu Pushkarani. That means Nangin Eri. That is the village name. At the time of digging, 11 Murti coming from the underground. In the Garbhagudi, Moolamurti, Vanamamalai Perumal, Sritevi, Bhutevi, Urvasi, Tilotama, Suryan, Chandran, Bhrugu, Markandeya. 9 Murti inside, 9 Murti, Swayambhu Murti. Then outside, Garudan and Visakshena in the outside. So total 11 Murti, Swayambhu Murti. At the time of digging, a small injury at the top of the head to Moolamurti, then blood bleeding from that place. Then Maharaja afraid again asked Murti Vanamamalai Perumal how to